I've done videos on the benefits of gardening in the past, but if you're new to it, it can be hard to decide what to plant first. Of course, many things come into play when picking your vegetables, such as climate, zone, time of year, space, amount of sunlight, and more. So take this into consideration, as well as what you like to eat. But overall, these are my recommendations for your first garden. Lettuce. It's quick to grow and there are lots of beautiful varieties. Radishes. One of the fastest vegetables depending on the variety, radishes can be ready to harvest in just under a month. Beans, especially bush beans. They are prolific and come in a variety of colors. Snap peas. Most gardeners can't resist eating a few before taking the harvest inside because they are very sweet. Cherry tomatoes. Tomatoes in general aren't necessarily the easiest veggie to grow, as they can be prone to many diseases. However, I still highly recommend you grow at least one tomato plant in your garden. They taste so much better than what you buy from the store, not to mention the endless amounts of shapes, colors, and patterns available. I'll start with cherry tomatoes because they don't take as long to ripen and are very abundant. I hope this video encourages you to start a garden whatever you grow, and I wish you happy gardening.